The new Feature Manager experience on Azure App Configuration portal now starts the creation journey by asking the question, what will you be using your feature flag for? In this demo, we will walk through how feature flags can control AI model configuration dynamically without hard-coding values in the application. Let's start with the first scenario, which is a switch that has simple on and off toggle controls. We start with two models, GPT-4 and GPT-5, powering our online AI chat application. Currently, the switch feature flag is disabled, so all users logging in will receive GPT-4. When we edit the flag to enable the toggle, users will no longer receive GPT-4. Instead, immediately, all logged-in users are now served with GPT-5. No additional code changes required. Next, we want to gradually release GPT-5 to only certain users first using Rollout. We set the initial rollout percentage to 0 and add a beta user. At 0%, everyone, including logged-in users, will still continue to get GPT-4, except for our beta user. We added an override for this beta user, which will ensure that they always receive GPT-5. Now, let's increase the rollout from 0 to 50% of the user base. As a result, half the users will get GPT-4, while the other half of the users, including the beta user, will get GPT-5, controlled entirely by the feature flag audience settings. Finally, we want to test a third model alongside GPT-4 and GPT-5. To run this experiment, we change the feature flag type to experiment and then define three variants of the feature flag, GPT-4, GPT-5, and GPT-5.1, which is our experimental model. And then we allocate traffic across all three of these models. We also add an override, so our beta user always gets the experimental model, which is GPT-5.1 in this scenario. Next, we update the application code to use variants instead of hard-coded configuration. This moves model selection logic out of the app and into the feature flag configuration, making deployments faster and safer. Now, different users receive different models based on the experiment setup. The experiment scenario allows variant management and traffic distribution settings. This can be used for A/B testing, multivariate testing, and data-driven decision-making for features. Now you've learned how to switch models instantly, roll out changes gradually, and run controlled experiments, all without redeploying code. This enables rapid iteration and safer releases for AI-powered applications.